Hello everybody and welcome to our presentation. I'm Muhammad Arka Zafana as your moderator, accompanied by my friends. From left we got Muhammad Hakimi, and then Muhammad Rehan Arafi, Muhammad Ria Nuriski, Arafi Kuzit Pratama, Zaki Muhammad Nafal, and Danang Dwi K. Today we'd like to share our thought regarding short animated film entitled Malam Cuma Berdua. So each member will uh, take their own part. We're beginning with Danang. For Danang, you may take your part.
Okay, the first is background. Computer graphic technology in this era has reached in very advanced point. Advance in recording and image processing can be seen in film and other digital art. One of the computer technology that has progressed a lot is multimedia technology. Multimedia is a technology that combines and present image, text, video, sound, and animation. One application of multimedia technology is in the manufacture of 3D animation. 3D animation is a animation that has three dimension, X, Y, and Z. So that's the resulting image has the properties of width, height, depth, and volume. In 3D animation, object looks like they are alive and real. In making 3D animation, many aspects need to be done to achieve the desired animation result. These aspects are divided according to the stage of making 3D animation. The first stage starts with modeling 3D object. Tricking character asset. Tricking is the process of turning bones into 3D character, so they can be moved. Next, the animate process is to move 3D object into an animation. Okay.
Second, second theory and discussion. The topic that will be discussed in this paper is to review the aspect of making 3D animation with the title Malam Jumawa 2. Produced by Studio Money Monkey, summary of story Malam Jumawa 2. In the middle of rainy night, there is a nurse named Nurse Nena who just got home from work. She walked from the hospital across the street. Nurse Nena saw a bajai parked on the side of the road with the driver in the bajai named Pak Jami. Nurse Nena got on the bajai and asked to be delivered to the address Jeruk Purut. Then in the middle, why the driver tells short story about the ghost issue that's circulating at the time. It is said that there is a ghost who takes victim A and there have been many incidents from this ghost. The story scared Nurse Nena and suddenly Nurse Nena started to feel something strange. The story of Malam Jumawa 2. A nurse named Nurse Nena who meet a praying ghost and disguised as a bajai driver then called out the ace of Nunina, who was the passenger.
Our review about Malam Jumawa 2. Malam Jumawa 2 writes the story of a bajai driver who waits for passenger at night with lightning rain condition. Then comes a woman in white who works as a nurse asking to be delivered home. At the end of the story, there is an unexpected plot twist. The film is told in a simple plot. The storyline present has been widely used by horror films in Indonesia. The story begins with a driver and passenger who wants to be delivered somewhere, after which they are shocked by something sinister. Such a plot is already used by many horror films, but interestingly, in this Malam Jumawa 2 storyline, there is an unexpected plot twist. The plot twist present is really unpredictable by the audience, and this is the point that the filmmaker emphasized the most.
Reviews on the animated film Cemawut Naik 2. Aspect of character modeling. This animated film has two characters, a woman who works as a nurse and a man who drives and budget. In the budget driver, character in is visualized with a middle-aged man who has molar and wear a straight. The style is for character is cartoonish caricature. The caricature style is seen is the snap of the budget river head which is larger than its body and has thing like an arm in the air state of the story. The budget river is the depicted as an ordinary human, but in the final step, the snap of the teeth and the color of his eyes as changed. The budget river face turned into a monster. Change in the snap of 3D object can be done with the snap K technique.
Environmental aspect. The environment in this animated film takes place in Jakarta. The objects that are created really describe the road environment there. In the first scene, they are flyover, dirty sidewalk, and a bajai that is used as a transportation. The depiction of a quiet environment and thunderstorm create a scary atmosphere. In the scene inside the bajai, there is a rust texture on the iron of the vehicle. This explains that the bajai used is old. The radio inside the bajai is used to add the horror impression. A radio that turns on and gives a loud sound so that it adds a creeping impression to the atmosphere that is built. The object of the human eye is hung on the bajai as the starting point of the climax. At the beginning of the story, the hanger of the human eye doesn't want to be shown to the audience by the filmmaker. Animation movement aspect. In the movie Malam Jumawa 2, the animation movement looks very good. The animation movement when the character moves and the movement of the bajai looks very smooth.
Lighting aspect and atmosphere. In terms of lighting, this film is quite stunning with good placement and lighting, making the atmosphere more tense. It also brings the characters to life with the right lighting. An example is in the initial scan when the nurse asks for a ride there. The lighting is a bit dim, which makes the air a bit scary, and in the final scan when the bajaj driver takes his ace and lows, there is a backlight and the effect of thunder like which makes it feel scary. Bab 3. Conclusion. After researching and understanding about the animation creative industry in Indonesia, it can be concluded the one of the 3D animation works products by Money Monkey Studio is a very good step to the advance the creative industry in the field of animation in Indonesia. Because one of the films we discuss here is Malam Jumawutu, which can and successfully entered the selection of international film as films from Indonesia.
Right. That everybody was what we wanted to share with you. We'd like to apologize if we make mistakes during our presentation, and I don't think there is a question, so we're gonna end our presentation here.